Hey, it's Claudia. I know many of you guys were asking where you can get these cool and surf trays. So let me tell you, you just go to the link in my bio and you type in cool and surf and you'll see all the different varieties that we carry. So I'm getting ready to head out to the pool once again, getting ready to put these in there, which these are the ones that stay in your freezer. So they will keep your food nice and cool for road trips, beach, barbecue, picnic. So I have all my peanut butter and jelly, some wraps in here, put the cooler insert in, and then the lid on top of it. So this is the rectangular one, which is great for dips, salads, anything like that. And then the second one is the one that has the little egg tray in it as well. So let's show it. So this is the large cool and serve. There's also small. So right now we have all of our fruit in here, ready for the pool, and we're going to insert this right here. We're going to have this side up. If you do make deviled eggs, you can flip it over and use the other side, and that keeps your food cold for like 4 hours-ish. And especially if you're doing barbecues and all those outside things that get your food cold, warm, especially things with mayonnaise, right? There we go. There you have it. This is the large cool and serve, and with a lid, keeps out all those flies. You'll be the coolest mom at the pool. That's what I call myself. I'm like, I'm here to feed the army. I'm here to feed everyone, but I love snacking at the pool, at the beach, like my favorite thing. I think I just go there for the food. So that way you're prepared, you're saving money, and your kids get some healthy stuff. So check the link tree in my bio. It's called a large cool and serve, a rectangular cool and serve. There's also small cool and serve, and there's cool and serve freezables as well. Same concept for all of them. So hope that helps.